So we're here at Whitewater Falls, just across the border in North Carolina, about 45 minutes from our RV park, Misty Lake, Westminster. It was a really nice drive up here. I just got a parking ticket, $3, and I just saw it's about a half-mile walk to the falls, and that's where we're going to go here in a minute. Nice day today. Okay, ready?
Ready!
All right. Whitewater Falls. Here we come. Half a mile.
So 2 hours later?
No. That's not what I'm thinking. All right. Okay, so we're talking and hiking up a not so steep hill even. A little short on breath today. How about you?
Hello.
All right. Do you hear the falls?
I can hear them since a while.
I see a danger sign.
Means we're getting close.
Uh-huh. There's some sort of platform up here. Gorgeous view over there.
Wow. The wind is going so here.
Oh, there they are. Look. Oh, wow. And it's still snow covered. Look at that. The boulders.
That's beautiful.
Wow. That is Whitewater Falls. How gorgeous. Glad we came. Alright, if you wanted, you could take this trail right here. Awesome.